Hi, welcome to another video from DD Aerial Photography. And like I say, whenever I'm out and about, you can stop me, just like the Finks did. They're here for the weekend, and they are going to go back home after this. But hey, I will stop and talk to you any time of the day. We are going to do the last video of LaGrange. I'm sorry, but it's almost all built out. Now I'm going to do Merrittfield and Long Prairie now more often, and also the Grove over here. I'm a little hot and sticky from the softball field the softball game I just watched. I got some drone video. I got some drone video from the softball field, so we can watch a little bit of softball. I got some video from Middleton. Let's take a walk down here and get some coffee. Hey, how you doing? And like I said,
catch you while you were talking there.
Hey, how you doing?
Good to see you, buddy.
Yeah, you.
How's everything?
Great. So you're more than welcome to stop me anytime. Anytime I'm out here, stop me out here, and I will stop a video, stop an intro or a video, and talk to you. It doesn't matter. Thanks for saying hello. We're going to walk down between the Sales Center and Olympia Rec Center here. This is the nice little quiet path here. Doesn't get travel that much. But we'll come down through here, see the bronze statues they have, how it's nicely decorated, on our way to get a cup of coffee. They have music playing all the time. They have the village's radio station playing, which is great to hear. And look at all the seating out here. It's a little sunny. It's also summertime, so there won't be too many people out. Just wait till a little bit later and get the sun to go down, and the villagers will come out. But right now, the villagers are out there in the morning, then they go in the afternoon, and then they go out in the evening to eat and stay and party at the squares. If you hear Madonna, that's music from the village's radio. I got Madonna playing. There's the entrance to the Olympia Rec Center, one of them. And look at nice palm trees, and it's nicely decorated. We're going to walk down towards Central Lake down here. Check it out. Man, I really do like Sunset Island. I like Central Lake. Coming from our marina home in Ottawa, Illinois, I sure do miss it, but this helps to ease the pain. Sky nice and cloudy. It's partly cloudy. How's that? You see, looks like we're gonna have a little bit of rain coming in, which would be nice. A little bit of shade. What do you think? About in the afternoon, it'd be great to come out. All right, here we are. Maybe this little Olympic swimmer here. Check it out for the Olympia Rec Center. So there we go. Love the decor they made. Let's go over here to the Sales Center, I call it. Welcome Center. It's the Sales Center. This is where all your money goes when you buy houses. Give that sales agent your check, and how quickly it goes into the bank. Holy cow. It goes into the bank, their bank, and out of your account faster than you can snap a finger. All right, this is the nice, quaint coffee shop here in the Sales Center. It's awesome. It's where I get my cup of coffee all the time. When you come in the Sales Center, they got these videos playing here. They don't know it. One of the videos they show is our house that was built. We have sold it since then, but it's still being played here in the Sales Center. All right, we just left the Sales Center. Got my cup of coffee, so I can go home and make some videos. Make this YouTube video, and you can hear I got the village's radio in the background. Any day in the villages is a good day. So let's go and check out what's being built here in the villages. All right, here we are. This is the last video of LaGrange. We are flying east here, following the LaGrange Loop. Also the $1 Million Alley, or $1 Million Row of the houses that are on Central Lake. You can see that LaGrange is almost built out. Most of the lots are full. They got their sod in, their roof on. There's only a few houses that are being built and one street that needs to be built out. And at this time, they are all sold or they're going to be spec homes. From the first shovel of dirt to the final lock on the door, your home story matters. With our photo home build package, you'll get high quality photos Monday through Friday, delivered straight to your inbox the same day, plus a cinematic 4K drone video that captures your home's progress and the neighborhood coming to life. All this for just $350, not due until the build is complete. Watch your dream home rise, one photo at a time. Alright, I will do an update on this part of the property here to see what is going to go in here, because I do know that everybody wants to know what is being built. So as soon as they start building, I will let you know. I mean, if I see them breaking ground, you know, I'll just let you know what's going on. What is a video of LaGrange if we don't fly down Sack Rider Path? So you can see that there's a lot of people that have started moving in on Sack Rider Path, and a lot of people that live off Sack Rider Path. So like I said, these houses here, our lots here, are all taken. This question has been asked a lot, and I'm guessing it's from the snowbirds that have gone back up north. So here's the answer. Everybody knows about the sandhill cranes. They're pretty tall. And look how much water we do need. I think we need another 2 feet of rain. So that pond or lake is awfully low. All right, this is a new section here. I'm going to do a past and present here of Eastport. Check this out. This is 2024. I think it's April or March. Check out the land bridge where they're taking equipment across to Sunset Island. I don't know if many people know about that. And you can see Sunset Island, how they had to get the large trees across there. So they had to use the land bridge. They had to put the palm trees in. You know, that takes a tractor. And they know that that bridge was just installed not too long ago before this video here. If you're enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps out with the almighty algorithm. And here's Sunset Island and Eastport as of today. But look behind Eastport, all the property. That Green Hill Grove. You got Merritt Field over there. Farmstead. There's the softball fields. You can see the rec center, the sales center, the main street of Eastport, the golf carts of Eastport. I'd say the Village's Health. That's going to be renamed here. You have the driving range. Check out Sunset Island, and we'll go down for a closer look. Sunset Island is awfully pretty. And here we are. This is the softball fields. It was 93 degrees today. Check them out. They're playing softball. And you can tell this guy really wants to hit it out there in left field. And you gotta walk. Next guy up, you can see he wants to hit the ball. Man, come on, hit the ball. There he goes. Now this is the softball fields back in April of 24. You can see the pickleball courts and the barely used tennis courts out there in the back. And And you can see back there also the future spot of a grocery store. Again, this is the softball fields back in March of 24. The village of Long Prairie. And this is the Mustang Ranch, or the Mustang Rec Center.
Mustang Sally.
Floridian Slip. You can see how much they have come along with the Mustang Rec Center and the Long Prairie Postal Rec Center. See the sod down there that they have laid? That wasn't there in the last video. Alright, let's check out the village of Long Prairie. See how the houses are coming along. We're just going to basically fly Long Prairie Path and just do the big loop. So you can see this is the most of the houses that are being built that villagers have bought. These aren't the spec homes yet. You can see the golf course. How much water we really do need here in the villages. So we do need that. We do need to have the afternoon rains starting pretty soon. You can see on the backside here, they have broken ground. They have started laying the water pipe and the drain pipes here. And you can see back around the back 9, hole 7, 8, 9, they have started building on. And the Street of Dreams, I don't think they've started building. I don't think they were going to start building on the Street of Dreams until the Mustang Ranch, or the Mustang Rec Center, sorry, another Floridian Slip, is built. I don't think they're going to, I think they want to have this Bush Boulevard built out here for the new villagers and villagers that want to buy down here. I don't think they're going to have the Street of Dreams built just yet, because there's a lot of other houses that need to be built before those. But look down there, you see they have graded these lots and they have broken ground in other lots. All right, this is the village of Green Hill Grove. And we're just going to orbit and do like a half a circle here, just looking from the north to the south. So you can see all the property that needs to be built out on. You can see all the side roads for the residential area down through there. None of the roads have been built. Now over here, you can see they are ready to start building in this section here on the south side.
Sounds to me like the Lakeview man.
All right, we're gonna fly south here, looking east of Lakeview. You can see the verandas down there. And I did see where 2 verandas were for sale already. And they were in the mid 700s. There was 2 of them for sale. So if you wanted those, call your sales agent. So we're going to fly northeast here and see the designer and premier homes that are being built here in the village of Lakeview. They're working very steady down through here. There's a lot of work being done here in Lakeview. And like I said, it would not take long for this village to be built out. Okay, we spun around. Now we're going to come back or start where we left off. Flying northeast towards Central Lake, and look at all the lots down there, all the houses that are built, and they just started on some of the lots down there. Just a few of them on the lake side there that need to start. But you can see there's not many empty lots here in the village of Lakeview, just inner lots, not the outer lots on most of the roads. Middleton, Florida. Alright, we're just going to do a orbit here and to spin around. You can see the church at the springs at the top. You can see we're looking at the villages there of Moultrie Creek. And we're just going to spin around here towards the south and look at all the property and all the land that the developer needs to build on. You can see Bexley Trail down there continues. And it continues and keeps going down further south. You can see that's Dry Creek there. Look how far it goes down through there. On the other side of Dry Creek, if everybody was wondering what was going on, you can see all the property that they are working on down through there. Alright, we're coming back to the north, and that is Bar Boulevard, and you're looking at Middleton. And we're going to come back up towards the Church of the Springs. You can see the school up there at the top of the hit screen. And we made a complete circle. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And here's another video that YouTube thinks that you will enjoy of mine.